Welcome back. The flurry of tariff headlines, a key part of the Apple story today. Stock is a top gainer on the S&P, up 3.5% right now. Let's get to Steve Kovach, who is tracking all the action here. Steve.
Yeah, that's right, Leslie. And just lots of relief in the street reactions this morning after that exemption on those reciprocal tariffs came in. Goldman Sachs raising the price target, but some others cutting targets, including Citibank and JP Morgan. Still some concerns from analysts as well around the global macro environment that could hurt Apple's demand. KeyBank put it pretty well, though. They said, quote, "This is the best case scenario that we can think of." Hard to argue with that one. Friday night exemptions gives Apple all of the options it had before these reciprocal tariffs went into effect to mitigate their impact. That means they can divert production to India and Vietnam, which no longer have those 10% tariffs. Meantime, Bloomberg reporting over the weekend, Apple's now making 1 in 5 iPhones in India. Expect that number just to increase as they divert more over to India. And remember, this was the expectation all along, that Apple would win these exemptions. We remember back before the Trump administration took power that Tim Cook, the CEO of Apple, donated $1 million to the inaugural fund and showed up to the inauguration with all those other tech CEOs. And by the way, there's also less pressure now on Apple to bring manufacturing to the U.S. thanks to these exemptions. And India is going to be the real focus for iPhone production. And that's just for now, at least, though, because we also heard those comments from President Trump and some of his cabinet members. They said no one's going to be off the hook for tariffs, but right now the market is acting as if they will be for good. Carl?